All right. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi, buddy.
Man, that is a big boy.
Hi. They're here protecting their bus.
What are you doing?
It's been guarding this bus.
I wish I knew how to ride bareback.
All right, there it is. We got to get this car out of here. That's our first challenge. Getting this car out and then getting the bus out. So wish us some luck. Got ourselves a starter, plug wires, plugs, fuel pump, distributor, test wires, brand new carburetor, throttle cable, tool bag, all my straps for my trailer, cooler, gas can, air tank, electrical connectors, fuel hose, tripod, jumper cables, another tool bag, power, headlamp, bearings for the trailer. Alright, I think that's everything we need to go get this bus. Let's do this. We are on the road here. We got my buddy's diesel truck. We're heading up to Kentucky to pick up that bus.
It's so funny. Like
We
I
got
wasn't
Bo out here
expecting-
checking out the trailer.
You slime me.
He doesn't drool.
You
so
slime
I
me.
wasn't expecting this.
You slime me.
drooly mess.
You know, it's just funny. It's just like kids. You know, it's like some kids can be like big and tiny and be a total Tasmanian devil.
All right, Tommy, we are here. We got Sandy from Red Haven Farm. We are ready to go up the hill here in this ATV and do our first check on this bus. See what we got to do to get it out of there.
Oh yeah. Let's do this.
All right, so we are here again. This is like the fourth time. We are here to pick up the bus, and there is the barn. I mean, it's just the most idyllic setting here where this bus has lived for the last 25 years. So we are excited to get this thing out of the barn and get it running. All right, well, we already got to go back and get a strap. We forgot our strap. And these guys are keeping protection here.
Should we put the fence back?
And so we decided just to come back, get the truck and trailer, and we're gonna use the truck to pull that car out. We didn't think this ATV would be able to do it, so make our lives a little easier here. So we're off to the spot again. No, that door I couldn't get to open. But this one over here, let me climb through here.
True barn find. Dude,
I know.
so cool.
All right, there she is. All right, we're gonna jack it up and put some other tires on the front and see if we can get this thing to roll.
You get the steering straight.
Yeah. All right, so we got two front wheels going. One of them took air, so we got one more. So we're hoping we can get one of the back ones to take air. And then it'll be rolling, but we're gonna roll it out front here a little bit. So Tommy's backing up the truck. All right, bus is moving. Oh yeah, my first ride on the bus. Yeah. All right. Probably. All right, we just drug her out a little bit into the sunlight.
You're right, this one doesn't. Well.
This is the first look here. Huh?
Doesn't look as bad. The sidewall is.
Yeah. We're hoping that one takes air. Let's pop that hood right there, Tommy. Let's see what we're looking for in there.
Bottom or top?
Bottom one.
Oh yeah, no rats in there. Wow.
Yeah, baby.
Rat haven.
Look at that. I think there's been some mice living in here.
Oh my gosh. There's your carpet insulation.
Yeah.
Gee.
I was wondering-
There's a dead one right there.
Is there?
See the tail? Hi.
All right, we're trying to get some air in this tire. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. What? Nice. So, yeah, we should be good. We got that one other one, so.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So the other one doesn't need air, so I can go, kind of not fill, but yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Man, is it beautiful out. It's September 22nd, 2022. 2023. 22nd, 23. We are rescuing this bus from this barn. Look at this, guys. Let me stand back here a little bit. All right, look at this, guys. Look at this barn. Look at this. Look at this setting here. This beautiful little old aged barn, and then bam! Bus.
Amazing.
Bus amazing. Bus amazing. I like that. Might have to be the name. Bus amazing. All right, guys, one last thing here in this same barn. There's where we just pulled the bus. Look at this. Probably shouldn't even be showing you this. What? Holy shit. I'll have to work on this next.